Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you want to solve along with me. I do make a small commission from any purchases. All right, looks like today we're doing number 293. If we look at this column here, we're only missing a 2. We look at this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 6. A 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here. So 7, 9, and a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 6. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 8. A 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 4 here, so this is our 6. That 9 means this is our 4 and 9. For this box now, that 6 makes this our 3, 6. And so for this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column now, we're missing a 9. And for this column, we're missing a 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this top row now, we're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here. So 9, 1. And so we can just randomly fill these in. So I'm just going to say 7, 9, 7, 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.